Hello everyone, welcome to WP GeoBuddy YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about our GeoBuddy plugin, for which our latest version 2.0.0 has now been released and it has some new features. Today we will tell you about which features have been newly added here in this 2.0.0 version. So first of all, we have introduced a new feature, AI management, where you can manage your local AI agent, Claude AI, ChatGPT, and any other MCP client from your GeoDirectory website and manage your listings. We have also brought in a new floating action bar, which is a sticky call to action bar that appears on your listing pages. So let us show you how these features work. Here, we have already activated the GeoBuddy 2.0.0 plugin, and if you do not have the GeoBuddy plugin, you can add it as new from here, download and install it, and then activate it. So we have already added it to our setup, GeoBuddy 2.0.0 version. So it has a settings page where we provide general settings, including custom fields like LinkedIn profile, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube channel, and 360 virtual tour URL, which you can use in your GeoDirectory listings. Then there is the multi-step form, which converts your add listing form into a stepwise format. This stepwise form style is currently being provided to you in our free version. And for the Fade and Pro versions, you will need to purchase our Pro add-on, which will allow you to improve your ad listing form even further. You can purchase it from here and also purchase our bundle membership, through which you get all our currently available add-ons, and you will also receive all our future add-ons. This is our multi-step form. Then in this 2.0.0 version, we have launched a new floating action bar feature, through which we can add any listing via the floating bar. Here is a preview of how it looks, showing listing info, call, action buttons, WhatsApp, share, and favorite. You can click on any favorite icon and customize its label here. For more Pro add-on features, where you can also change the icons and button styling, these are available in our Pro version, which you can purchase from our wpgeobuddy.com site or through our bundle membership. So this is how our feature works. And finally, we have templates, which you can import into your GeoDirectory listings and GeoDirectory website only upon purchasing our bundle membership. Then we have added a new feature, MCP, GeoDirectory AI agent to GeoDirectory. We have connected this MCP server, and through it, you can connect your local AI agent tool to your GeoDirectory listings and manage them. Here, through Claude AI, you can manage your GeoDirectory listings via the Claude AI desktop, VS Code Cursor AI local agent, ChatGPT, Gemini, or any other MCP. Here in the GeoDirectory AI free version, you get 14 tools and you get access to get data. This means you get access to retrieve anything from your local AI agent. And our GeoBuddy AI Pro add-on allows you to have write access as well, surely, where you can create, update, or delete your listings and manage them. Then there is review management, where you can also manage your reviews from your local AI agent. Then there is settings management, where you can also manage GeoDirectory settings from it. You can also get a single site license, and you can also add it via our bundle membership. The single site license is $99, and for these $99, you get all our available add-ons, and you will also get any future add-ons that are released. So let us explain how you can manage your Cursor AI through your GeoBuddy AI tool. Before that, you first need to go to cursor.com/download and download the Cursor AI application, the desktop application. You can use it for MacBook, Mac OS, or for Windows and Linux, depending on your requirements. So I have already downloaded Cursor on my system, so let us open Cursor. And then open a new agent. And then we set this configuration code in Cursor AI settings. Then go to Tools and add Custom MCP. This is a setting in Cursor AI where you can connect custom MCP servers through your local AI agent Cursor. This says, so we will add custom MCP and we will paste the code here. As soon as we pasted it here, the GeoBuddy MCP server connected here, and our 14 available tools have been enabled here, as you can see. Then we close this JSON file and come back here. Now, our WPGeoBuddy.local, which is our local setup, has connected with the local AI agent cursor. Now, we write here, please list the GeoDirectory listings. I searched here, please list the GeoDirectory listings, meaning that by chatting through our local AI agent, we can retrieve all the information from our GeoDirectory using the local AI agent cursor. As you can see, for the question I put forward, please list the directory listings, it replied, I will fetch the listings from your GeoDirectory site using the GeoBuddy tools. So our GeoBuddy tools are processing that in the background and will provide it here within a few minutes. It says, your site has 30 published GeoDirectory listings. It has shared our 30 GeoDirectory listings here. As you can see here, there are 30 listings on our site. And we can also do things like if we want to search for village whiskey, we can say, please search for the village whiskey listings from my site. Now I have searched for the village whiskey listing from my site to see if there is any listing of this type so that it can share it with me. So my GeoBuddy tools are currently running in the background, and if a village whiskey listing exists on my site, it will show it here. If it doesn't exist, it won't show anything. This is exactly right. The search found exactly one match for the village whiskey listing for which it has checked and shared the ID, type, address, coordinates, URL, created date, and modified date. So these are our 14 GeoBuddy AI tools, which give us access to get data. This means we can retrieve our data from our GeoDirectory listings using our local AI agent. If you want to get access to write data, you can do so by using our GeoBuddy AI Premium add-on, which allows you to manage listings, how to manage them, create them, update them, or manage them in any way, all through your local AI agent. Similarly, for review management, if you need to reply to reviews, moderate them, approve them, mark them as spam, etc., you can do that using the local AI agent with this GeoBuddy AI Premium add-on. The same applies to GeoDirectory settings. You can manage your GeoDirectory settings through the local AI agent. If you want to purchase this add-on, you can buy it from our site, wpgeobuddy.com. Link is in the description. If you need it for a single site, you can get the single site version, which is visible on your screen. If you want to purchase a membership, you can do that too. When purchasing a membership for $99 per year, you get our 10 available premium add-ons in one membership, and you will also receive any future add-ons that are released. This means 10 premium add-ons plus future available add-ons. You will get all of this in this membership. So we previously searched for, please search for the village whiskey listing from my site. Now let's type, please share my WordPress site information. This means if you need your WordPress site information, you can ask your local AI agent via a command and see it. As I searched for, please share my WordPress site information, our local AI agent cursor showed it through my GeoBuddy tool. Your WordPress site information, site name, URL, WordPress version, language, character set, admin email, description, time zone, etc. So in this way, you can use our free tools through our GeoBuddy AI. You'll find the plugin purchase link in the description below. And if you want the premium add-ons, you can purchase them from our wpgeobuddy.com site, either for a single site, or you can purchase our membership, in which you will get 10 premium add-ons, and you will also receive all future premium add-ons as well. In today's video, you learned how to connect and use the GeoBuddy AI add-on to manage your GeoDirectory website with AI. If you have any questions or need help with your GeoDirectory website, we also offer a free 30-minute GeoDirectory consultation with our experts. You can book your session using the link in the video description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our future tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.